Yeah, my people, I greet you all. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is your brother Edia's Opinion TV. I don't show face. This is my own opinion. For a week plus now, Asari Dokubo has been the topic trending online. From his visit to Jagaban at Asarok, to the address he made, and other statements as he has made previously against the Igbo people is not trending. And I believe all this why people have talked to Asari Dokubo in the manner he deserved. But on this very video today, I want to make a different opinion, or I am bringing a different opinion. Why and what gave birth to what Asari Dokubo said. You know, Igbo adage say that no woke no n'ụlọ gwara oke no n'ọhịa na azụ dị na ngụga. Meaning, the household rat is one that informed the white rat that there is a fish in the store. An armed robber cannot come into a city and steal and go scot-free without an internal informant. So there is a root cause to every situation. There is a root cause to everything that happens under the earth planet. What I'm actually saying here is that the leaders of Igbo land, the governors of the Southeast region, the senators, the House of Rep, the chairman, the local government president, name it, every person that have been in the helm of affairs of leadership in Igbo land has failed on their duty. The Ohanese has become a Chihuahua dog that always bites, that cannot even chase out a rat, let alone to chase out a criminal. So, with all this unfolding, gave room to what Asari Dokubo goes out to say. Like the one he said that his forefather sold Igbos, that he should be doing the same thing if not for the intervention of the Britain. That is to show you that Asari Dokubo has weighed the leaders of Igbos in a scale and found that they fall to zero. That is why he has the guts to make the very statement he made. So this video that I'm making today, I am not here to condemn Asari Dokubo in this very video, but I'm here to condemn the Igbo leaders who has chosen their own self-interest, who have chosen their own selfish interest in the place or at the detriment of the Igbos in general. Those who are choosing their political career at the detriment of the welfare of Igbo. Those who have chosen what they will get from the government at the detriment of Igbo. Those who have chosen to say it is their business, it is not my business, is what prompted Asari Dokubo to be saying what he's saying today. One of the key factors that have given Asari Dokubo the voice to say what he said today is right from Imo State. It is not a hidden factor. We must call a spade, and we must point out the black part that yes, you are black. Hope Uzodinma, upon trying to fight the IPOB or try to do his master's bidding, try to please the Fulani who planted him here as the governor of Imo State, hired Asari Dokubo and his men to do his work. When the assailants who butchered the military man and the lady in the name of ESN or IPOB, which we know it is a mission accomplished by some political talks, but we always rope everything on the head of the IPOB. Dokubo and his men became the tool upon which this man do his evil agenda in Imo State. If you remember, the 14th boy that we are butchered, who went for their brother's traditional wedding, After all these things, so Asari Dokubo is the very what they call him, Ebube, the militia group being used to do a lot of evil agenda, especially in Imo State. That's why he say, can't you see the way you people are dying woto? Because people were not on guide, so he came in. As they launched Ebube, he was invited in, he was brought over. And it is even in this very video they are seeing, that is where he say, when it comes to this portion of a thing, that he's a professional. So in this very video, the Igbo leaders are the ones that have sold us into the hands of this very man who say he's not apologetic. So we too, we are not apologetic. We must do everything to save our own people. So when it comes to this very video, the blame is on Ojuzokalu them. The blame is on Rochas Okrocha them. The blame is on Soludo them. The blame is on Ato Eze them. The blame is on all Devil Mahe and all the leaders of thought that we have in Igbo land. The blame is on them. The senators. The blame is on them. Because once they have failed on their duty, they gave this man the room, they gave him the very opportunity for him to become the mission, they become the missionary. And whenever they execute their dirty work, they will label it unknown gunmen, whereas they are the unknown gunmen. When they execute their dirty work, they will label them Ebube, whereas they are the Ebube militia group that are being used. But you know, most of the times when we talk, it looks as if maybe we are talking out of hatred. No. The two boys of those 14 guys, Chibo and his brother, the shock of their death caused the life of their mother. So whatever I hear today, that this man said, he has weighed the Igbos in a scale and discovered that the Igbos are not in unity, and discovered that the Ohanese and the Igbos are not playing their role as the Ohanese social culture group. They are not playing their role. They are playing partisan politics. They are playing sentimental politics. They are playing self-egocentric politics. Like today, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is still in detention. It shouldn't have been so. If our people do the needful thing, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should be out by now. But playing politics around it is what has kept Mazi Nnamdi Kanu there. People who prefer suffering and smiling is what kept Nnamdi in detention. If this be in the north or any other place, he won't be in detention up to this moment of 2 years plus. But because so you that this video is getting to you, reason alike, knowing fully well that the fault is no longer Asari Dokubo. Asari Dokubo have actually opened our eyes for us to reason, for us to wake up and coordinate ourselves the way it should be. Knowing fully well that the very Judas we have are these Igbo leaders that you are seeing their faces here. They are the ones that have sold us into the hand of Asari Dokubo. Why Asari Dokubo is doing whatever he's doing today is because of these people. So my people, this is the very information I bring to you. Check deep and see if what I'm saying is not true. This is our things that are going on, and our people are busy chasing shadow. This militia group is what our leaders should be fighting, and they are busy fighting ESN that is in there protecting our farmland. It's a pity that we lack leaders who has vision. We only have leaders who are interested in what they will get out of the position that we are being given.